Hi everyone, once again welcome to my YouTube channel, Resolve Delightful Lessons, and today I will help you create interactive worksheet in Google Slides. So this is one of the techniques. I will be giving you tricks and tips on how to create interactive worksheets. So first, you need to open Google website, then make sure to click this one, and then once you click, you select, of course, you can see the different applications of Google here, and all you need to hit is slides, since we are making interactive worksheets in Google Slides. So once you click that one, this will be the interface, and next step is to hit this blank sheet or blank slide, then click that one, then it's processing and you just wait. So we have here now our blank slide, so we don't need this text box. So all we need to do is to remove. So you can remove this one, and then first I need to create a title. So let me just write here worksheet number 1, since I am making a new slides. So again, I don't need this text box, so I need to remove them, backspace, then also this one. So we have here already, so this is the default size of slides for the Google, and we can resize this one by clicking file, and you need to look for page setup, then from widescreen you click custom, then change it into 8.5 by 11 inches. So click apply. So we have here already the standard size for our slides. So our next step is to insert images or background. So we need to click background. For background, you can choose image, and then you can also change the background of the color of the background, then hit choose image, then click browse so that you can select. So since I have already downloaded worksheet, so let me click worksheet number 1, then you just wait because it's processing. So there, so click done. So we have here already the background. So look, once you click this one, you cannot really move the image that you have already inserted. Unlike in insert image, for example, let's have another slide, then let's remove this one. Then once I click this insert image compared to this background, so upload from the computer, and then let me use the same, so open, and then there. So see, you can move it anywhere. So your students might be, so again, insert image and background, we saw the difference. So for background, you cannot move. For insert image, you can drag it anywhere. So that is the difference for the background and insert image. So let me use the background one so that we cannot move this one, or the learners can not move the picture you have inserted. So next is let us now insert text box so that our learners can write their answers. So drag it here. Since we have they need to differentiate fact, so let us have the first concept, fact. So you may also change the font size, so by clicking this plus sign, or you can also change the font. You can select from here. So let me use the word, the impact, the font size impact. Then you adjust, then you can drag it here. So a little bit of adjustment, and then you can double click so that you can just change the concept or the word. So we have non-fact. Okay, so there. So we have already done with that. So let's move on to the next part of the worksheet, since they are going to write F or NF. So again, let us click text box. Then you may just write, for example, letters. So adjust so that it will fit to the blank before the sentence. So since we have 10, you can just duplicate this one so that we have the same size. So you just use Ctrl D so that you can duplicate your text box. So after duplicating this one, you can drag it you can already drag it here. Then you can also adjust. So for the sake of this video tutorial, so you can adjust your text box. So here, so since I will just be showing you how to create worksheets, so let me just do this one. But you can adjust so that it may not cover the lines or the borders. So you may also change, for example, instead of letter, you may change answer. So this is just the guide of your learners to where they can write their answer. So since we are doing interactive, so again, you can also adjust. So again, it depends on what guide will you be giving to your learners. So you can change, instead of letter, you can write answer here. So there, so we don't need this one, so let's remove. You can just click the backspace. So here, so we have already done with our interactive, so we can share it now. So click share, so that your learners can answer it already online. So we made it very interactive. So you can just hit this get it or get it. Then you may also copy link, but before that you may click it first here. So you have already the link there, so the URL. So click restricted, then anyone with this link, because you will be sharing it to your learners. So before you can copy that one, make sure that you change viewer to editor so that your learners can insert the answers. So once you're done, copy link and then done. So you are ready to share it to your learners or to your students. So you can insert it in your Google Classroom. So I hope you learned something new again on how to create interactive worksheet in Google Slides. So this is Rizal Delightful Lessons. Have a good day.